morning, children.
Good morning. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, all of you. I welcome you all to the BMC online education program. And my name is Neeta Khante. And today I am going to teach you a English subject. Okay. Yes. Do you know different types of animals?
Yes.
Do you know different types of animals?
Yes, teacher. Gorilla.
Yes. Then tell me name of some animals.
Lion. Lion. And tiger, elephant.
Tiger, elephant, and
Deer.
elephant, dog,
Bird. Cat.
monkey,
Monkey.
and
Ant.
that is okay, etc. What is this?
Deer. Deer.
This is the monkey. What is this? This is the monkey. Which animal swings on a tree?
Monkey.
Monkey. Monkey swings on a tree. Okay.
Okay.
Then you are singing a short rhymes on monkey. Do you like rhymes?
Yes.
I will singing a rhymes. Monkey, monkey upon a tree. Monkey, monkey upon a tree. Monkey live in a family. Monkey live in a family. Mummy, papa and baby. Mummy, papa and baby. Lives in the forest merrily. Lives in the forest merrily. You can repeat rhymes after me, huh? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Monkey, monkey upon a tree. Monkey, monkey upon a tree. Monkey lives in a family. Monkey lives in a family. Mummy, papa and baby.
Mummy, papa, and baby.
Mummy, papa and baby.
Mummy, papa, and baby.
Lives in the forest merrily.
Lives in a forest merrily.
Lives in the forest merrily.
Lives in a forest merrily.
Okay, very good. Do you like song?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. So, today we are going to learn a topic, the monkey and the log. Repeat the name of the topic. The monkey and The log. The monkey
log.
and the log.
Log.
Repeat the name of the lesson.
The monkey and the log. The monkey and the log.
Very good. Then I will show you some picture. The name of our topic is the monkey and the log. What is this? This is the monkey. Then next picture. What is this?
Temple.
What is this? This is the temple. Do you know temple?
Yes. Yes.
In our country, there are different types of temples of gods. Then next picture, what is this? There are two people. And the name of two people, first is the Ram Rao and second is the
Sham
Rao. They both are workmen. They are workmen. In the next picture, what is this? This is the dog. Very good. This is the log. Then with the help of this picture, we can explain the story of the monkey and the log. Okay. Once upon a time, one minute. Once upon a time, a certain workman. Workman means a people who have a specific skill to making a something. What workman means? Tell me, workman means a person having a specific skill to making a something, that is called as workman. In a certain time, the workmen were busy to building a temple. What made the workman? Workman made a building a temple. They were very busy to building a temple. And the name of that workman is, first is the
Ram Rao.
And second is the
Sham
Rao. Okay. Then Ram Rao and Sham Rao, both the workmen, we are very busy to building a temple. And after 12 o'clock, what time? Noon time. That is a noon time. After 12 o'clock, Ram Rao and Sham Rao both were very hungry. Then Sham Rao said to Ram Rao, we can go to the town for taking a lunch. We are go to the town for taking a lunch. Lunch means, do you know lunch?
Yes.
Lunch means we eat a food after After 12 o'clock in a noon time, that is called as lunch. And we eat a food in the morning, that is called as breakfast. And we eat a food at night, that is called as dinner. Very good. Then Shamrao said to Ramrao, we eat the food
Lunch.
that is called as lunch. Then Shamrao said to Ramrao, let's go to the town. Where did they go?
Town.
They go to the town. Very good. Then Ramrao said to Shamrao, okay, we are go. Then Ramrao and Shamrao cutting the log. They are working cutting the log. Then they have finished their work. Their half work is done and half work is remaining. They cannot finish their all work. Then Ramrao said Shamrao, I will put the veg. Veg means
Piece of wood.
veg means a piece of wood that is a thick of one end and pointed as other end. It is called as veg. It is called as veg. Then Ramrao put the veg on the cutting part of the wood. See this picture. Cutting part of wood. And veg put in the cutting part of the log. The gap could not close. The gap closed. All gap is closed. No. Then Ramrao said, I will put the veg here and I will come. Then they both went for lunch. Then Ramrao and Shamrao they thought that no one was arrived here. They thought that no one was arrived here. Then here and touch the veg. Then that's time what happened? What happened?
Monkey.
Suddenly Who arrived there? That time monkey was arrived there. Monkey was very naughty. Do you know monkey was naughty?
Yes.
Then suddenly what happened? A monkey was came and monkey put on the log. Then he observing the veg. Monkey was observing the veg, and monkey put down on the log and thinking about veg. and thinking about veg. He was pulling about veg. Monkey was trying to pull out the veg. Monkey out, and the monkey started crying. What happened? What happened? The monkey was crying.
He was crying. Stop. Because monkey tail on in lock.
The tail closed in the gap, and the monkey cried very loudly. Oh, help! Oh, help! Oh, help! And monkey cried very loudly because as he pulled out the veg, his tail was trapped in this gap. His tail was trapped in this gap, and the gap was closed.
Close.
And the gap was closed. Then no one is arrived there. Understand the story?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Then the moral of this story is we should not meddle with the things that are not concerned with us. Means meddle means do not interfere other work. Meddle means do not interfere the other work.
Do not
Interfere the other works. That is called as meddle. And the moral that cannot concern with us. Do you understand story?
Yes.
Then the moral of this story is we should not meddle with the things that are not concerned with us. Means we can interfere the other work. Very good. It is okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Very good.